What you're seeing isn't fog. That's a gas leak. Witness as a spark sets ablaze the wall of mist, transforming it into a surge of flames. The major explosion shook an LPG station in South Korea's Gangwon province. The resulting fire quickly spread to nearby structures and vehicles. According to the Gangwon Fire Department's report, 5 individuals were injured. 2 of them are in stable condition, while the remaining 3 suffered minor injuries. The explosion's force and subsequent fire caused damage to 14 buildings, leading to the evacuation of at least 25 individuals from the area.